ISAM's important because it offers a great opportunity for us to start to build brand new markets, brand new products in space. It allows us to address some of the world's greatest challenges through us operating and building those new products in space.
So this is the first time the ISAM conference has ever been in Belfast, so it's a fantastic opportunity for us to highlight the capabilities, but this is about looking at the capabilities we have that can be pivoted and aligned to the future of ISAM.
The conference has been great. It's been really good to see so many different companies and people here. And similarly thinking about where we've got priorities in space to develop new services and products that will help us here on Earth.
So the Fragile exhibition, which is showing here at ICC Belfast, is an exhibition about space sustainability and the need to be for the circular economy in space. It's about how we benefit from the use of space. It's getting very congested up there, and what are some of the solutions to produce sustainable use of space.
We rely on space for so much of our day-to-day uses. I don't think people realise how much we need the orbits above us. In order to be able to continue to use space, we have to make it more sustainable.
I think ISAM's key for the sustainability angle because we're actually able to get up there and repair satellites to extend their mission life, to propel us and enable clean energy development for the future.
I've really enjoyed hearing more about manufacturing in microgravity, in particular the research that's going on in building new drugs in space.
It's a really important part of using space for all its advantages and thinking about how that can help us improve things here on Earth.